What's good, YouTube, and to my Sneaker World family? It is your guy again, Udell 12, aka Bubba, back with another quick review. And today, guys, I'll be giving you a quick look at the Jordan 11 Low closing ceremonies. And guys, as always, before we get started, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button for your boy, and also smash the notification bell for upcoming vids. And also continue to subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all the love and support. And guys, just continue to show the love and put your comments down. Every time I will get back with you, but I just appreciate everything and the love and support. So let's continue to get to the quest of 1,000 subs. And let's get it. And what we have here, guys, is the Jordan 11 Low closing ceremonies. These released on August 27th at a retail price of $170. Let's see the tag there. There you go. Might be a little blurry from my camera. But the inspiration comes from the 2016 Rio Summer Olympics. And that's where this whole theme of the gold comes from with these. Now, let me get into the... Now get into the bad part about it that I didn't like, and what I don't like when Jordan Brand and Nike do this, and that's make shoes like these, which are the lows. Man, I cannot. But they hit us with there's colorways like the gold patent leather is absolutely dope. I mean the white, gold, and black. I mean it's a dope colorway, dope sneaker. I'm not saying that, but I'm just not a big fan of lows. People that rock with me, people that know me, they know I'm not a big fan of lows. I actually have, I have a couple of pair of lows. I mean, I don't like lows, but I actually got them. I mean, I was able to get them from, and actually, my Chinese New Year lows, I got those. Wasn't even expecting to get those, but I got them. So, it is what it is, but I'm not a fan of the lows, man. I can tolerate them, but this shoe, they made this shoe at a high. If they made this a high 11, Jordan 11 high, with this gold patent leather and the white, I absolutely love it. So, some people rock lows, some people don't. Hey, it is what it is, but I'm going to review. I love the colorway on these. I'm going to say that. So, everybody know I had to put that in there, my little rant regarding lows. But these, I mean, they are very dope. The colorway, they are. I've worn these. I've actually put these on, and nothing major, but I have worn them. But I'm just not a fan of lows. Or I mean, I'm not. But sorry for keep saying it. But here's the insole. You got your gold Jumpman on the insole, your back tab, you got your Jumpman right there with the 23 inside of your tongue right there. There's the front of your shoe there. But the leather, as far as leather wise, I mean it has like a bubble type leather, but it's like a hard. It's a little soft, but it's a little rigid. I mean, it's kind of, it's not like your plush, just very, very soft leather, but it's not bad. The quality is not bad on these. So, but yeah, man. I mean, people try to, you're not gonna come battle or pull out a low when you're playing, battling another 11. I mean, I wouldn't pull out a low. Some people do. I mean, so it is what it is, but don't battle me with a low. That's all I can tell you. So, guys, I'm going to sign out from there, but guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. This has been Udell 12, aka Bubba. This has been the Bubba Files. Lego.